Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Rundown Garage here. We're doing another 450L video today. Subscribe for more, and let's get into what we're going to be doing. So here we got a box from Supermoto. Highly recommend them. First off, we got the 12 o'clock. Alright guys, we got a box here from Supermoto. Just came in today. First off, we got the 12oclocklabs Eliminator kit. Here she is. Also got the tinted taillight with it, so that should look pretty good. All these bolts came with it. Block off plates, license plate mount. Pretty cool. 12oclocklabs sticker. Set that aside. Also ordered the Supermoto mirrors. Hey, you can see me. All right, Supermoto mirrors. Should look pretty good. Going to replace these stock mirrors that, frankly, I don't like. Too big and bulky. So we got that. The Eliminator kit also came with a, I guess, back plate for your license plate. One thing I can't figure out is it says this side faces license plate. I don't really know why it matters. Maybe because the burn holes, welding mark, whatever the fuck it is. But alright. Got the fixed rate flasher with it too. What else we got? Alright, instructions for the Eliminator kit. Gonna need that. Alright, yeah, something cool they send is all the parts they have in stock for the bike. And they give you a little sheet that shows their Supermoto bike and some of the popular parts for them. I got the mirrors and the integrated taillight. They give you one for the more whatever off-roady type bike. We got that. A little sheet for the fixed rate flasher. Gonna need that. And let's get into this thing. So here's a little side-by-side to compare. And as you can see, the Eliminator kit is a lot smaller than the beast that is on there right now. Another thing that I like about it is it's got integrated turn signals. So you can take these off and you'll have a lot cleaner look. First, we have to remove these 4 bolts under the fender to get this bracket off. Okay, so after you take these out, there's this little push pin that you need to pull on this piece for it to come off and to dangle like that. And that's right there. And be careful because these things will fall out and you will lose them. Next, there's a little screw right there, and we're gonna take that off and see what happens. Okay, I kind of feel stupid because I couldn't figure out how to take the taillight off for a little bit, and so I ended up taking the seat off and all that. And I figured out that once you undo that, you can just take this fender off that I have, and you should be able to get right in there and take those bolts off. Okay, now that you've taken those screws off, there's these 2 boots right here with connectors on them. And you have to take these off for the light and these ones off for the blinkers. Okay, now that you got the taillight off, you should just be able to loosen these screws and the blinkers should pop right out. Okay, so these little backing plates to the turn signal, you have to pop them out before you can take off the turn signal. So I recommend a screwdriver for that. Now that we have everything removed, we can start installing the taillight. And the first thing to do is install these block off plates. If you are removing your blinkers, which I am, and so to do that, you take the plate, and there's these two little screws in there, and I recommend tightening down the bigger one first to get it snugged up, and then kind of hand tightening that little one. Okay, then you want to take your taillight and feed each one of the connectors in one at a time, and then put the washers on those bolts and then slide it in nice and slowly. And come on, boop, it's in. Okay, then snug up all the wires. White wire to orange plug, blue wire to blue plug, 3-wire connector to the 3-wire plug, and then you go ahead and put them back in the mount. Then underneath the fender, you will reinstall the factory push lock, the Phillips screw, and the block off plate that 12oclocklabs provides with you. All right, we got the taillight working, and now all that's left to do is button her up, and we'll see how she looks. Okay, so the bike is near done, and I don't want to show you the whole thing yet, but I just wanted to give you a demonstration what the fix-right flasher will fix, and that is the blinker speed. So I'll turn it on, and as you can see, the front blinker is blinking really quickly. It's supposed to be about half the speed of this. So we're going to install that fixed-rate flasher underneath the front headlight, and then I will reveal the final build. Alright guys, so here's what the bike looks like now. Got the Supermoto mirrors on. .12oclocklabs Eliminator kit. I love the smoke taillight. I think it looks dope. Let's turn the key on. That's what it looks like on. I think it looks pretty sick. I think I really like these mirrors. Got the blinker going now. And the front blinkers work just as they should. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe for more. If you haven't checked out the last video, make sure you look at that. And stay tuned for more 450L content. Thanks. Peace.